This is the Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 8-blade vegetable chopper. It comes with 8 diverse blades crafted out of premium stainless steel. It chops, dices, slices, and grates large food quantities in mere seconds. It makes food prep so much faster and easier, and cleanup is a breeze. It's made with food-grade, BPA-free materials. They've got 24/7 live customer support. Go check them out.
Dave, you've got the Mueller chop station. This thing is awesome. If you ever do any chopping in your kitchen, this is the tool to have. Very, very cool. Nice chopping blades here. Very sharp, so be careful. Basically, your chopping blade goes into this piece. This connects up there. This guy goes into the top. And you're off to the races chopping. Just slide this right into there, just like that. Take your items for chop. We got some carrots here. We're going to give those a chop. Bam, chopped. What the heck can you say about that? There's nothing better than that. Chopped. Boom. Got some blueberries on here. Let's see what they look like. Oh, they're going to fall right through the hole. That's okay. Chopped. Chopped the berries. Chopped blues. Chopped. Let's get some grapes on here. We are making a dish for our vegetarian lizard here today. So let's get those guys chopped. Done. Freaking chopped, bro. Let's get this thing cut up. Powerful chopper. Done. Chopped. 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 Can't beat it. It's a chop machine. Let's go double stack. Double stack. Not gonna work. Same stack. Chopped. So this is worth it all day. All day. All night. Chopped. Let's see it close up. It's a good buy. Got some chops here, but they're not finely chopped enough. We're trying to make a meal for our lizard friend, and I was told by the bosses, i.e. my daughter, that that's not gonna work, bro. That thing's not gonna be able to eat that. So we got our fine chopper out here now. The fine chopper. So we're just gonna pile this up, see what happens, and see how this works. All right, let's give this a go. There we go. Let's see. A little bit of resistance there. This is going to get messy, but as you can see, finely chopped. The choppiness is now super fine. Much better for the lizard. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. All right, now we have a finely chopped version of what we had before. So let's go ahead and transfer that. That's going to be real nice now for our friend the lizard. Look at that. That is super sweet. I mean, try chopping that by hand. It ain't happening. Done deal. It's worth it. Buy it. Fully chopped vegetables. And we are going to go ahead and get those right into a chopper. So basically, I mean, this thing is just great, right? So first thing is cleaning is awesome. You just take this and you go right to the rinse, right? No big deal. It's a rinse. Dishwasher safe, right? Done. Rinse that bad boy out. Right, look at that. No problems there, right? No problems there. That'll go right in the dishwasher. This little guy right here, he comes right out. Same deal. No problems there. Not a problem at all. Rinse that guy. He goes right in the dishwasher. Now you're saying, what do I do with this, right? What do I do with this unit, right? Closes down, okay? Comes right apart. Boom. Dishwasher. All day. Show you a trick with that in a minute. There's your awesomeness right there. Sliced and ready to go. I'm going to transfer that right into there. Right, how about that? Transfer right into there. Right, look at that thing. Right, same deal here, right? Rinse that bad boy. Rinsed up. Right, look at that. All rinsed. Dishwasher time for this guy, right? Dishwasher time. Look at this. Time for the dishy. Look at that. Time for the dishy. Okay? Now, that guy's rinsed. Check this out. This thing, basically, you flip it over. Right here, you got a little handle that you flip. Check this out. Bing. Bing. It's 2 pieces now. That way it can go in the dishwasher with no problems. Look at that. Ready for the dishy. 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 Choppy. Good.